Sino ba Bisaya dito? Okay, thank you. Wala pa. Tandaan natin na yung unang panahon, yung O at O sa kayo. Kasi di ba merong mga consonant na ginagamit tayo na hindi kailangan one. So, ang word natin, exhibit A, ang word natin is malaya or yung same SI.
Ang busy naman ito. Okay. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Nagpa-fangirl daw siya kasi ayan, kaya daw yung ano ng dressing. Ano pa nga yun? Jeremy from Horizon, pinahirapan niyo kami doon. Masakit sa buto. Halagang train talaga sa ano, sa SoCore ba? Ano ba to? Wait, what? Wow! Sa akin, Angelica. Si Audrey yung sa'yo. Ano, seated na kami. Medyo VIP seated daw. Medyo.
Thank you so much, P-Pop Music and Culture Caravan. 3, 2, 1.
So, before ako mag-shower and everything, I just wanna say na grabe yung kapit ng setting spray ng Dazzle Me. I can show it later, but I just really need to shower. Grabe yung kapit kasi mag-remove na ako ng makeup. Like, grabe talaga yung kapit. Like, yung only touch-up ko lang is like under eyes kasi, oops, yung under eyes kasi medyo like, nagka-crease na siya. Pero, di naman siya ganun kahalata. Pero grabe yung kapit ng Dazzle Me like setting spray, yung bago nila. And ayun, it's so effective. Bibili ako soon ulit kasi this is so long lasting. It lasted the whole day. Grabe. Girl, I have so much to cram, but ito yung Dazzle Me Got a Grip Makeup Setting Spray Prime plus Set Anti-Pollution. Like, I never owned like a setting spray talaga, pero recently kasi with the humidity is not giving, nag-purchase na ako ng setting spray and I really invested in a good one kasi this lasted the whole day. Dazzle Me, please sponsor me.
Yes, papacheck siya ng eyes. Kasi may free optical MLBs.
We're back at home and we need to clean my room. Doesn't really look like a room right now with the current like in and out of the house recently. Let's clean my room.
Pranking yourself. Pranking yourself. Na-prank ka ba?
So I did my nails. This is like an apple like set supposed to be, but I immensely failed. I couldn't even draw like the apple like shape, like the inside of the apple. And then this one, it actually looks so cool. It just got smudged when I was about to set the matte setting polish. And then my other nail is a mix of pop of color. I just want a different kind of nail vibe. So yes, it's actually cute. I don't think this is gonna last though because I've failed. But you know, progress is, you know, good. And yeah, I do like it. Or else I hate it because this accidentally got smudged. And then the middle like nail here, the polka dots were a mix of colors and accidentally got smudged, so I had to redo it and just made it as a plain nail. So this is my nail like thing going on for now. For the next couple of weeks of February, I know for sure these are gonna like instantly fade. But yeah, see you on Monday. No reaction this evening.
Yucky!
Ano favorite yan?
Ano flavor? Ang naging ganun mo. Wow! Di naman! Di naman! O tama na, patay mo na. Uy, ako nga, drawing. Touchdown. Touchdown daw ang mga Ayan yun, no. Bayad tayo, Mary Grace. Diba? Thank you po.
沖縄にミサルガールズジャパンみんながサウスみんなが前に多分한명沖縄スカッサ韓民
I am so overstimulated. Enjoy na enjoy siya, oh.
Bibidyoan ko namin kasi, di ba parang Dubai? The reality behind the content creator. Look at the wars.
Girl, good morning.
Nilinis oil na yun.
Tagal nila nag-design.
Dapat inaano mo ito, pinapatay mo yung kulay eh.
Huwag kang my wallet.
Doble nun kung dalawa yung lalabas. Meron ka, 10 tsaka 5 mo na yan. Meron pa nga po eh.
Ala! Ang cute naman! Sa point lang. Happy ko tong laro na to! Ano ba? Ano naman? Siya na naman panalo. Ay, siya na. Wala, siya yung panalo. Late ko, hindi ko nahugasan yung pagkainan. Uy, Papa! Sandali! One with the animal siya, oh. Kala mo talaga. Ano ba itong kasiso ko? Ang baba! Kaya nga. Ha? Ang arte naman ito! Sobrang ganda naman ito!